Give it a second, everybody. Let me check YouTube if it's working. Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world, and analysts, right? And analysts. This is Mike, the FX boss, and this is the professional Forex trading course. 101, everybody. Today it's a great day. I have news for you, everybody, but at the end of the stream, alright? Exactly, today is the day. We have another asset manager. If you want to partner up, work for, work with, work by. Shola, are you here, Shola? Hedge fund trader Shola, this is for you. In the meantime, everybody, remember, trading is a learnable skill. When you learn in the correct way, what's the goal for go to zero? To a potentially millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. Never forget you're going to graduate from this course when number 1 you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number 2 you have a strategy in place and you understand how your understanding of probabilities is affecting your strategy, right? Because you are building the rules. And number 3 you have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn and for homeworks, and I mean you have other texts to read, right? In your free time. From homeworks and questions you can send me an email to the Gmail. Alright? And for business you have Skype too. Alright, everybody, today we have, this is the manual, right? This is the code ladder for the asset manager. And today we have support to resistance in sideways channel. So lesson 24, how to trade support and resistance in a sideways channel. We are going to enter the market when see a change in the shortened trend. Suggestion, put the stop loss above or below the highest high. Okay. What is the decision maker? Is the risk reward ratio? Oh, that's it. Alright, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair that you believe it's in consolidation. In the meantime, I'm going to choose, if it didn't change anything, I'm going to choose NZD Cat. Boss, there was a news today, true? We had USD news, right? And alright, I don't have anything, so today we had, where is the Forex Factory? There you go. Forex Factory, give it a second. Internet is slow, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday USD CPI, Consumer Price Index year to year, went up. Unemployment claims, so we don't know what is true, right? We should ask Doc, he lives in the USA, but you know, supposedly the economy is getting better, alright, in the USA, so and whoops, not this one, this is for advanced and classes, there you go. NZD CAD is still in consolidation. I'm not sure about AUD USD. We're going to check, alright? Most of pairs, alright. So out this one, out this one, out this one. Alright, everybody. So let's go. Oh my gosh, euro dollar. Clara, are you here, Clara? Hedge fund trader Clara. Hedge fund trader Clara, are you here? Boss, you are a genius! No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Thanks for the comment anyway. Not on YouTube, on the other stream platform. We talked about yesterday that going long it's risky, right? And today was news everybody. And again, it's too soon to short, alright? But anyhow. Alright, so NZD-CAD, right? NZD-CAD clone charts, AUD USD, maybe 4-hour chart, maybe. If it's not, so it's went up. Alright, we're going to do just the example, alright? AUD USD and Euro AUD was in consolidation, moving out of consolidation. Maybe, give me a second everybody, daily chart. 4-hour, alright, 4-hour chart maybe. Then we had Euro New Zealand in consolidation, right? Still maybe, alright, very good. And what else? Not that I'm aware of. But USD is getting strong. Hello Sandy, how are you? USD is getting stronger. And let me check the other pairs. Clone chart. NZD USD going down. Hopefully this is the 4-hour chart. No. Give me a second. Maybe too soon, right? Tomorrow it's Friday. Give me a second everybody. Boss, are you trading? Yes, I am. And as a matter of fact, let's check everybody. This morning, give me a second. So, just a sec. Alright. Trade, right? Trade time. 12. No, this is 8 time 11. Buying Euro AUD, buying GBP CHF, selling. This was the news event. Shorting AUD USD. USD CAD, very good. USD CAD, it's also in consolidation. Excellent. So USD CAD, right? USD CAD, it's in a big consolidation. Weekly chart maybe. Alright, so we have this consolidation and then we have this consolidation, right? We have this consolidation and just maybe we have this smaller consolidation too. Just maybe from here to up in here. Alright everybody, so we spot, this is NZD-CAD 4-hour chart, so we spot clearly visible, we spot one, alright, so you can check. So this is another smaller maybe, right, maybe smaller consolidation inside the bigger consolidation. We spot one. We spot, maybe not right now, but we spot two. We spot two. This is, we're going to change this one to Euro GBP. Euro GBP weekly chart. We spot Euro New Zealand. Alright everybody. We spot this one as consolidation too. From here to here, maybe. Sandy spot USD CAD, and the no-brainer is USD CHF. Hopefully on the monthly chart, right? Boss, I don't like to trade consolidation. There is no right or wrong, everybody. You don't need to trade everything and anything, agreed? But you still need to learn, because if you lose in consolidation, at least you know why did you lose. Alright, so support and resistance in sideways channel, okay? Now as from the manual, what it says, We are going to enter in the market when we are going to see a change in the short-term trend, and suggestion, it's risk-reward ratio. Okay, everybody, so this is NZD-CAD. Alright? Sorry, this is USD-CHF. Let's go, this is NZD-CAD, right? Okay, now it doesn't really matter, but number one, you must choose what consolidation you are going to trade, right? Number one, choose the consolidation you are going to trade. This would be number one. Boss, is this a strategy? Yes, it is. Thank you very much. Alright, so number two, example of a strategy. Okay, consolidation only. 2.1, enter when you see a change in the short-term trend. Beware of relevant highs and lows. Right, now 2.1, 2.2, stop loss goes above or below absolute high / low of the consolidation traded. Alright, everybody, choose the consolidation you are going to trade. Example of a strategy, consolidation only. Enter when you see a change in the short-term trend. Beware of relevant highs and lows. Okay, and stop loss, edit label, stop loss goes above, below absolute low. Alright, so theory first, right? So this is the upper band of consolidation, this is the lower band of consolidation, and this is the market. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, consolidation, higher high, higher low, and lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Alright, everybody? Okay. Now, talking about number one, it's easy, right? Choose the consolidation you are going to trade. Let's say that you say, alright, me and you, we are trading this consolidation, right? From the upper band to the lower band. Enter when you see a change in the short-term trend. Alright, now here is the kicker. If I, not this one, if I put a trend line like this, everybody, alright, if I put a trend line like this and the market makes something like this, did the trend change? Type in the chat. Did the trend change? The short-term trend? What does the rule say? Enter when you see a change in the short-term trend. Beware of relevant highs and lows. There is no right or wrong, everybody. What do you think? Not yet, exactly. Alright, so this would be a premature entry. Makes sense, everybody? Now, then the market is going to do whatever it wants, but then something like this happened. Bam! What about now? Did the trend change, the short-term trend? Did the short-term trend change? Needs to make a new relevant high, exactly. What about now? Did the Yes, alright. So should you enter right now or should you wait for the new retracement and enter at the next counter trend line break? Now we did, yes. So here is the question, it's up to you to decide, everybody. Should you enter right now or should you enter at the next? CTB stands for counter trend line break. There is no right or wrong. Boss, I don't like consolidations. Don't worry, you don't need to trade everything. Everybody stay out, makes sense? Stay out if you don't like consolidations. If you are losing on consolidations, just stay out. Simple as that. Fair enough? You don't need to trade everything and anything. Boss, what if I'm, so not on YouTube, on the other streaming platform, boss, what if I'm a swing trader? It doesn't matter. But if you have a consolidation like this one, USD CAD, everybody, you know, why wouldn't you trade this one? Even if you're a swing trader on the 4-hour chart. I'm trading those. I'm trading this one, I'm trading this one. As a matter of fact, here is USD CAD, see everybody? USD CAD. Can you see it? As a matter of fact, we're going to re-enter again. New order. Now that it's moving, new order 0.03. Whoops, 0.03. Stop loss 1.30920. Buy market again, and this stop loss goes down to here. All right, see everybody? Now you can see that how is the word in English? Now you can see that, how is the quote? I put my hands where I put my mouth. Well, what's the quote? That we are doing what we are teaching you. Yeah, you can see it for real. What we are teaching you, we are doing this too, right? It's not just, oh, this is just theory and whatever. Alright, everybody? So, I understand, but you cannot stay out forever. Oh, I don't like consolidation, so I'm not going to trade USD CAD. Look at the range. Look at the range. Now, fair enough, this consolidation on USD CAD is completely different than this consolidation on Euro New Zealand. So, fair enough, you cannot swing trading here. But not all consolidations are equal. Alright? Sandy is saying with the stop loss below the lower band. Wrong answer. Should you, wrong answer from the strategy. Should you, should you, there you go. There is no right or wrong, so Sandy is saying, alright, I'm going to wait for two lower low, whatever, I'm going to wait for a retracement, right? And then I'm going to enter at the next counter trend line break. Very good, everybody. Now, stop loss goes above or below the, not the band, Sandy and everybody else, but the absolute high and low of the consolidation traded. That's a trick from the old guys. Alright, it's nothing special really, but experience has shown that. Let's make stop loss. Let's color code this in blue. And let's make stop loss red. So blue, blue. Experience has showed from 20 years ago that You know, if you put your stop loss below the band, alright, but the example of the strategy says put the stop loss below the absolute low of the consolidation. Experience is showing that sometimes the market gets down, stops you out on the band, and then reverses and goes back up. Alright, everybody? So the safer stop loss is the absolute high and low of the consolidation. Make sense? This stop loss, it's safer compared to this stop loss. I'm not going to ask, do you agree with me? I'm going to ask you, does this make sense? Type in the chat, everybody, does this make sense? Can you see it? Alright, and another one, before you take a picture, number three, don't enter trades with risk reward less than 1/1 if you must. Alright, don't enter trades with risk reward less for 1/1. But it's a band. Sure, so what? Everybody, you can accept what I'm teaching you, you can reject what I'm teaching you. My life is not going to change, make sense? But you can ask other people, you know, here online. Shola, are you here? Clara, are you here? Is anybody of the advanced students in here? Everybody, be smart. Listen to what I'm teaching you, alright? Be smart. God knows I've tried, invented hot water, anything else. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It would be subjective, not really. It's a number. A band, it's a number, and a low, it's a number too. Why would it be subjective? Not true. Sandy, why would it be subjective? But if you want to listen to me, you are going to put the stop loss, everybody, below the absolute low in this example, and above here you have this high rectangle and you have the absolute high of the consolidation. Alright? And don't confuse consolidations with pennants, alright? Don't confuse consolidations with pennants. So don't do this like, oh, this is a consolidation. We've learned how to form consolidation too. Someone may choose absolute low as something else because the band would be a range. So what, Sandy? Come on. So what? Talk to me. Does this make sense to you? Everybody listen to me. If you're a beginner trader, sometimes you are overcomplicating too much. Make sense? Don't overcomplicate things, everybody. Oh yes, but the Fibonacci. Nobody's talking about the Fibonacci. We're talking about how to trade consolidation, support and resistance in a sideways channel. This is one strategy, one book. Make sense? Alright, now let's see if this, everybody take a screenshot, photo, whatever. Alright, and type in the chat done so we can move forward. Type in the chat done, take a screenshot, photo. Yes, don't mix apples with bananas, right? Now we're going just to check. We have enough time to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 currency pairs, and let's see if this strategy example works. And yeah, thank you very much. Talking about take profit, so number 4, right? I almost forgot. Number 4. Boss, what about take profit? Number 4. Take profit. Take profit 10 pips in front of the band. Alright? There you go. Done. Alright. So this is now ends decade, right? Ends decade 1 hour chart. Everybody type in the chat, do you want to check the smaller range, the smaller consolidation? Do you want to check if this strategy works with the smaller consolidation, the orange one? Or do you want to check if this strategy works with the bigger consolidation, the higher one? Orange, type in the chat, orange or green. I'm in green today, so orange or in green. Yeah, we're going to check ends decade, then we're going to check AUD USD. Then we're going to check Euro GBP, weekly chart, monthly chart. So you have different time frames, right? Euro GBP is in consolidation from here to here. So let's see if what the boss is teaching you really works, or it's all BS, right? Alice is smaller, orange, alright. Alright everybody, so step number 1, right? In order to confirm consolidation, we need to have 2 highs and 2 lows, right? Oh, and you have even a smaller one here. Look in here, everybody. How many times did it touch? See in here? How the market changes ranges. You had this one. Give me a second. So you had this one. High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. And then it went down. And then you had this one. Can you see it, everybody? And then you had even, so this is going to be what? Violet, green, violet, and this is going to be then even the smaller one. See everybody how this works? Consolidation, exactly, consolidations inside consolidations. So this is orange, right? Again. And orange equals to green too, right? It's the same. All right, everybody. So one more time, orange or yellow? Which one do you want? Orange or yellow? Ali, where are you from, Ali? Maybe I have a good news for you. Hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Clara, if you are here, say hello. Yes, we have another asset manager looking for traders, and it's very, 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 very cheap compared to the other asset manager. It also offers less money, of course. There is no free lunch, everybody, right? Orange, alright. So, out this one, what did you talk about? Which one is orange? Orange, alright, orange. Okay, everybody, so do we have a confirmed consolidation from the orange? Do we have a confirmed consolidation from here, from the upper band to the lower band? We need minimum 2 times, right? Do we have a confirmed consolidation? And if I hide the future, right? Something like this, alright? So I'm going to get rid of this one, fair enough? Do we have a comfort? So don't mix apples with bananas. Maldives, is it a rich country? I've never been there. In terms of per capita, what would be the general income on average per month? $1,000, €1,000, whatever. Everybody don't now exactly. Don't confuse, right? You must understand the stories. We've learned that lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Trends overlap, right? This was one story. Then from high to low, low to high, high to low, this was another story. Alright? And then from high to low to high to low, this was another story. Alright? You must not confuse the three. Okay, everybody? So the market was in consolidation. The market hit the first time this level, that it hit the first time this level, then the market hit the second time the same level, and the market hit the second time the lowest level too. So this was where the consolidation was confirmed, but then the market went out of consolidation. Alright? So you must understand that this is game over. We have a class on Dukascopy Academy, how to confirm consolidation. We've learned this, alright, with all of the rules from the manual, alright, from the manual, market behaviors, how to properly consolidation inside the trend, page 62. Alright, you have the rules that every consolidation eventually must end, alright? We've learned all of this from the manual, but now today we are in, so from page 62 we are how to trade sideways inside the trend, support, so we are on page 122. Alright, everybody? Now then, what happened? The market went up, so you're monitoring the market and you're monitoring the market and monitoring the market. 1, 2, give it a second. So when this happened, right, the market went from here to here, up in here. Give me a second. The market went from here to here, so vertical line on the left. This was one story, then it's game over. Alright? No, we are looking at, alright, transparency. So we are looking at this low and this high, and then we are looking at this low and this high, right? And you say, alright, I'm going to draw down here, maybe it's going to be another consolidation, and bam, we have a low, right? Do we have now the smaller consolidation confirmed, everybody? The blue color consolidation. Is the blue color consolidation confirmed based on the rules? Type in the chat, yes, consolidation is confirmed now. Consolidation is confirmed now. Type in the chat, yes, consolidation is confirmed, or type in the chat, no, consolidation is not confirmed. Everybody's crazy today. It's news. Oh, the ATF Bitcoin, it's approved. Be careful with Bitcoin. Listen to the old guys, it's not that easy, alright? Don't be just crazy and... Alright? Yes, we do. Okay, so... If this is now the 1 hour chart, Sandy and everybody else, and this is, we're going to put a vertical line because we don't see the future. What is going to be the relevant lower time frame where we can spot the change in the short-term trend? Boss, I don't understand the question. If you have consolidations on a time frame that you just see highs and lows, how are you going to spot the change in the short-term trend and make some pips and money, hopefully, based on what I'm teaching you, hopefully, if you are coachable, hopefully. $15 very good. So we are going to clone chart, everybody. We are going to go on the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Alright, everybody, 15-minute chart in here. Can you see clearly? I'm going to delete the blue band. Can you see clearly the short-term trend, lower lows, lower highs? Can you see it, everybody? Come on, there you go. Can you see the short-term trend? Hopefully. Alright. Now we have an issue here, right? What's the issue? Relevant highs and lows. The market didn't offer us, so this is the relevant high, right? But if this is the relevant high, then risk reward doesn't make any sense, does it? If this is the relevant high, risk reward doesn't make any sense. Agreed, everybody? We're going to risk too much. So if this will be the case, what else can we do? I'm going to help you because we need to move. You can go to the lower time frame. So from the 15-minute, let's go to the 10-minute chart, right? 10-minute chart. 10-minute chart, high to low. Is there a low? Is there a low? Let me see. Same story, everybody. Alright, so no, let's go on the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Okay, so now this would be the trend line break, right? This would be the trend line break, and we are waiting for the market on the 15-minute chart. And the market already went up, so we didn't have a chance. Yeah, 2 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, 5-minute chart, right? High to, not a low, not a low. No, not even the 5-minute chart. We are not lucky this time. High to low. But there is no high. High to low. This is not a high. High to low. This is not a low. High to low. That's not a high. High. No. Not even on the 5-minute chart. Back to 15 minutes. Everybody, it's alright. Okay. So I'm going to wait, everybody, and this is what? This is the 15-minute chart. I'm going to wait, and the market is going up, and I'm monitoring the uptrend. For God's sakes, I'm not going to enter long, and you shouldn't too. But the market went up. Everybody, if you buy up right now, are you trading what you are seeing, or are you speculating that the market is going to go up? If you're a beginner trader or intermediate, or if you are trying to make money for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, this is one of those why I'm not making any consistent money. If you enter the counter trend line break right now, are you chasing the money? Meaning you are trading from what you believe is going to happen, or are you trading what you're seeing? Sandy, congratulations to you. So no, I'm not entering, alright, I didn't buy, alright, I don't want to speculate, I want to trade from probabilities. But I'm monitoring now 15-minute chart, low to high, and the market is up, and now finally, low to high, high to low, low to high, everybody. Remember, I'm still trading the 1 hour, right? So this one, the blue one, so up in here, alright, this we didn't take advantage, there were no setup. I'm monitoring the market, and counter trend line, right? Now, did the market made a lower low, change in the short-term trend? Just an example. Type in the chat. Are we following the rules? Type in the chat. Can you do this? Yes, you can. Always need a confirmed trend before entering the trend. Well, in small consolidation, maybe not, right? Because there is not space, but here you can see that the market is not making hard highs, hard lows anymore. In small consolidation, maybe you cannot wait for a confirmed downtrend. Make sense, everybody? It's going to eat you all the profits. But this entry now, compared to this entry, here you are chasing the money. Here you see that the market, it's not making hard highs, hard lows anymore. It just made a lower low. So I'm going to counter trend line break, bam, here is the signal to enter, right? This blue candle, entry short, give me a second, entry short, you need to calculate your risk, how much you're going to risk, 0.5%, 1%, whatever. And now I need to find the high of this consolidation. Alright, everybody, so here is the blue candle, and this high was the highest high, right? So up in here and clone, you know. So based on this low, it's roughly 1 for 1, right? Still doable, possible, right? Okay, so I'm in a trade. Let's see, so stop loss, it's above this high, 10 pips above, stop loss, it's up in here, and we're going to profit take a few pips, you know, in front of this low of consolidation. Alright, so I'm in a trade. Let's see, market retracing, up and down, up and down, up and down, moving up again, bam, stopped out. The market stopped me out, everybody. Give it a second, short term. Alright, the market stopped me out, and monitoring the trend, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so counter trend line break again, and the short term trend high to low, low to high, high to low, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. Here we have another counter trendline break, right? Give me a second. Same story if you want to enter, everybody. Give me a second. Now this would be the highest high, right? Stop loss, 1 for 1. Stop loss, now this is the highest high. Entering the market and moving sideways and back again. Sideways consolidation. And almost bam, and we stopped out again. Stopped out again in here. Why this happened? What's the answer? How many candles are sufficient for a counter trailing break? One. One candle. One candle. Everybody, why we lost 2 times? What's the answer? I'm showing you right now. So we were here trading the orange, right? This was 1 and the market went up. So this was our entry. So circle again. Circle, 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 and circle. All right? Exactly, the market formed a smaller consolidation. So the first time I lost, it's okay, everybody, because until in here you didn't have a confirmed consolidation. Make sense? High to low, low to high, until here. Let's make it green. You didn't have a confirmed consolidation. Alright? But at the moment of the entry, the market reversed and went back up again and stopped me out. You know, now I should see that, whoops, this market, it's locked inside a smaller consolidation. Make sense? Exactly on the 15-minute chart. Small time frame has too much noise and crazy. Still doable. Still doable, everybody. Now if I'm on the 5-minute chart, right? Look in here, exactly, look in here. If I would enter now on the 5-minute chart, everybody give me a second. Give me a second, give me a second. So, horizontal line, right? You don't see the future. Alright, and let's clone one more. Clone, give me a second. Clone chart, and from the 15-minute we go to the 5-minute chart. Alright, now we're in the smaller consolidation. High to low, low to high, high to low. Again, shortened trend change. 5-minute chart. Counter trend line break. Stop loss above in here. Let's see how this would play out. Going against, sideways, going against, sideways, going against, almost stopped me out, and bam, finally, right? Finally made some profit. And there you go, smaller consolidation, smaller consolidation. Still small consolidation. Now you cannot play on this one, but let's see the next one. So up in here, we're waiting for the change in the short-term trend. Change in the short-term trend to short the market. So low to high, high to low, low to high, low, 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 lower, lower lows, lower highs, right? So high to low, low to high. Maybe this one would be an entry, and the small consolidation still in here. Market going against, up and down, bam, stopped out again. Oh. See everybody, what was the mistake in here? The stop loss level, right? I put the stop loss in here, the market stopped me out. If I would put the stop loss above the absolute high, up in here, I wouldn't stop me out, agreed? Agreed everybody? 2 times that I've been stopped out because I didn't put the stop loss at the safest place. This is now the absolute high up in here. Oops, there you go. Mean to draw, small time frame had too much noise and crazy. I think we must analyze from higher time frame to lower to enter. Sure, but spotting the where you spot the change in the short-term trend, right? Now, you see everybody, USD CAD on the weekly chart, now it's something different, right? On USD CAD weekly chart, you can easily spot the change in the short-term trend. Can you see it everybody? But sometimes the market is not going to be that generous and show you everything, right? So the higher USD CAD on the weekly chart, in here you can see clearly a change in the short-term trend. But if you go in here, can you see the change in the short-term trend? Alien, Sandy and everybody else? Type in the chat, yes I can, or type in the chat, no I cannot. I can't, I need to go on the smaller time frame to see the change in the short-term trend. This is the weekly, let's go on the daily. We are not lucky. This is the high, that's not a low, that's not a high, that's not a low, that's not a high. So this is the relevant high from the daily. So we need to go to the 4-hour chart. What about now? What about the 4-hour chart? Okay everybody? So the direction, yeah, it's from the higher time frame, but timing it depends, but timing it's from the smaller time frame. Exactly, Sandy. No, I cannot see it from the same time frame. All right everybody, let's get into business. All right, let's get into business. Type in the chat Darwin X0. Okay, type in Google Darwin X0, and here you have the trading 2. All right everybody, now this asset manager requires you to put down minimum $1,000. Alright, it's a live account. There is no good, I mean, you need to, I'm going to tell you everything, then you need to choose, alright? You choose for yourself, fair enough? Trading, it requires for you to put $1,000 live, and then he's going to give you 10x your account, alright? Like in here, I have Heraldo's permission, it's on your name, here is Heraldo login, alright? And it's a live account, as you can see in here, and account history, Heraldo put $5,000 and the asset manager gave him 45. Alright, so trading.com, it's an incubator, it's not a broker, don't mix the two. Trading.com, it's an incubator, alright, and it's more money, but again, it's a live account and it's on your name, makes sense? You are not buying anything, it's your account, your name, there is no middleman if you want. Okay, so this is trading.com, alright? It's an incubator. But $1,000, it's big money, I'm not sure in Maldives or Mauritius. I know $1,000 it's big money in Brazil, it's big money in Thailand, it's big money in Nigeria. So here you have Darwin X0, okay, and if you go to start today, okay, now let's see how this works, everybody. Darwin X0 is going to capital allocation, is going to give you 25,000 euros. They are from Europe, everybody, regulated, licensed, alright, do your research, but they are going to give you 25,000 euros live account once you get your rating up to 75. Here you need to trade, you know, percent return this calendar, cumulative percent return prior to 5 calendar, and maximum percent drawdown. If you get, not if, but when you get to 75, you receive a 25,000 live account. Until there, compared to trading, this account, it's a demo account, but it costs you breadcrumbs, alright? So where is to start? Give me a second. I want to get started. Alright, everybody? So with this code, they're building a new one for me. Take a screenshot or write this down, you know, W capital DW201284 ZRUNL. Alright, with this code on Darwin X0, instead of paying 95 euros, you pay 65 euros. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. Whoop, beat the blues, didn't know about this one, but give me a second again, we are here, let me copy and copiar and paste, apply. Alright, so from 95 you go to 75. Okay, everybody, and there you pay 38 euros per month, every single month. Alright, every single month you pay 38 euros, 75 instead of 95, it's the one time payment, and then you have 30. So compared to this one, as you can see, this one, it's more money, but it's also live account in the beginning. This one, it's just 38 euros per month. More realistic for Brazilian country, you know, Thailand, whatever. Okay, so you can start and build your track record and move forward. Okay, everybody? So if you're going to use this, wait a second, if you're going to use this this quote, alright, then send me an email, because you are allowed to trade 1 month for free here with us. Alright, every day. Alright, everybody? Send me an email. Where to? Send me an email to mikefxboss@gmail.com that you've registered with Darwin X0, because then we are going to trade together for 1 month. Hopefully you're going to make some money. Hopefully you can come to, as we said, the 75, right? The rating to give you a 25,000 euros live account. Until then, it's a demo, right? Now, everybody, before we finish, one more time. This is a live account from the very beginning, but it minimum $1,000, alright? Now, this is your money, and it's your account on your name, and it's live from the very beginning. This you are paying them, it's not your account, it's not on your money, and it's demo. But as soon as you can come to 75, you receive finally the live 25,000 euros, 25,000 euros live account. Alright? Yeah, do your research, okay? In the meantime, if you have any questions, everybody, send to my email. Alright, our time is up. Hopefully this is good news for you if you are living in the countries where money is less valuable, like Brazilian real, right, or Thailand or Philippines. Alright, see you back tomorrow. Till tomorrow, stay strong and analyze the chart like a boss, because you are the boss of your account and this is the boss. Signing off.